What's the meaning of Canterbury? Canterbury. Canterbury.
Canterbury. Canterbury. Canterbury is a city located in the southeast of England. The name Canterbury is derived from the Old English words Canterbury, meaning fortress of the people of Kent. Canterbury is known for its historic landmarks, including Canterbury Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that was founded in 597 AD. The city has a rich history dating back to pre-Roman times and has been a center of Christian worship for centuries. Today, Canterbury remains a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world who come to explore its history, culture, and stunning architecture.